Hello everyone, Angie here again of Angie's Crochet. I will be showing you in this video how to do the single crochet two together or the SC2tog using one color yarn and also using two colors of yarn. Alright, let's get right into it. So we will work our way until we have two remaining stitches at the end. Alright, so work the rest of the stitches until we have two stitches remaining. Now if we got two stitches remaining, we will pull a loop from each of those stitches. Okay, so one from here and another from here. If you notice, I did not finish the first, but instead I go ahead and pick up another loop from the next remaining stitches. Now I have 3 loops in my hook, so I will yarn over, and pull that through those 3 stitches. Okay, so what happened here is those 2 single crochet from the previous row turned into 1 single crochet in this row. Alright, so that's how we decrease, and that gives our piece shape. If we do that regularly in every row, that will decrease the number of our stitches and bring a shape to our piece. Alright, now let me show you how that is done using a different color. Okay, so I will work my way to the end again until I have 2 remaining stitches. Okay, now I have 2 there, and I will pull a loop from each of those stitches, 1 and 2. Now I will drop my color and I will use a different color, that's my color B, to finish my SC2tog in this row. Alright, so what I do, I secure my color A with my thumb here, and then secure my color B with my middle finger at the back of my work, and then I yarn over and pull through those 3 loops in my hook, and then secure that stitch by a single crochet or 1 chain, and that chain is also as our used as our turning chain. Now we are ready for the row of this color B. Alright, so as usual, you work your way to the end. If you want to decrease on the other end, so the same thing you do. You pull 2 loops off from the 2 remaining stitches like this, 1, don't finish that, and then another in the last stitch, and then finish the 3 loops with yarn over and pulling through. Okay, so that's how it is done. I have a project. If you want to try, I will be putting in the description below, or right at the upper right hand corner here. There's a project that I am doing which you can use this practice this skill, and it's a project I am very proud of, so I hope you will try it. Okay, I think that's it for now, and until the next time. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified with my next projects again. Thank you so much, guys. Bye now.